Hey everyone, welcome back to Bit9 Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Ableton Live on your Mac step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. I'm using Brave, but you can use Safari, Chrome, or any browser you prefer. Next, head over to ableton.com. Once you're on the site, click on Try Live 12 for free in the top right corner. This will take you to the download page. Scroll down and select Mac OS Universal, then click Download. The installer will begin downloading automatically. It may take a few moments depending on your internet connection, so be patient. Once the download is complete, locate the .dmg file in your Downloads folder and double-click to open it. A new window will pop up. Read the license agreement and click Agree. Now, drag the Ableton Live icon into your Applications folder. This will copy the app to your Mac. Once that's done, you can close the window and move the installer to the trash. Next, open your Applications folder and double-click on Ableton Live to launch it. macOS might show a warning since the app was downloaded from the internet. Just click Open to continue. When Ableton launches, you'll be asked to either log in, enter a serial number, or start your free trial. If you already own a license, log in and activate it. If not, click Try Live to use the full version for 30 days. In my case, I already have a free trial license activated, and that's it. Ableton Live is now installed and ready to use on your Mac. You can start producing music, playing with loops, or just exploring the interface. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.